Today I'm gonna do a review on this new pressure washer. I'm gonna try to unbox it. This is the cheapest pressure washer you can buy from Amazon. I think I got it for like $55. I'm gonna try to play around with it and then see if it's worth the money. The pressure is like a 1900 psi. It's pretty strong. Fancy y'all. What kind of name is that? Okay, gonna unbox right now. I'm gonna open from the bottom, pick it up. Wow. Oh, we got a big pressure washer hose here. This is big. Wow, pretty cool. It's attachment. It has arms. And it's got a nice gun too. Oh, this is a big gun. And the tip is like an adjustable tip here. You just turn the tip and it rotates to what the degree of pressure you got. Okay. That's pretty good so far. But the name is like, look at the name. Like a kid's toy. Never thought. Yeah. Kind of ugly to be black. But we'll see. Wow, the cord is pretty heavy. The cord is nice. This is like a $25 there part. Wow, not bad for 55 bucks. We'll see how it goes then. I have to look at it manually, and I know how it goes already. They come with like a 2, 4, 6, 8 screws here. So you meant to put this one here, in here, the two here, this, and this one here. They go in the back of here. Like that. It's pretty easy to assemble. There's nothing to it. Pick it up. All you need is like a screwdriver. Hand screwdriver is fine, but this will be faster. Oh, come on. That's it. Oh man, this is so simple. This is easiest. This is where the hose goes, the water hose, garden hose. And this is where the pressure goes. This is the pressure hose. Look how big this is. The gun, the pressure gun here. Yeah. It looks like pressure gun. With the attachment, oh, the two screw goes here. That's it. And this is the tip of the gun. It goes that. So you want to turn on, off. Hit E. That's how you do it. This one's to go up here. Turn it. Oh, pretty cool. This one here I'm going to put here is the pressure hose to the gun. See how it goes. So this should be like this here. You put it here. And put this here and put it in here like this. Done. So you want to take it off? Off. Easy. Just push it in, it's in. Wow, this gun is pretty big. This is pretty cool. I like this so far. Now I'm gonna hook the power to. Okay. All you do is put it in like this. Plug and play. Turn on the water. Turn on the gun. Well, it's working so far. See it. See, when you want to turn the pressure in, there we go. Not bad. Not bad at all. This is pretty strong. I like it. I like the gun. The gun feels good. It's really durable. Easy to turn. Well, it's better than I expected. Not bad. Fancy y'all. Right? Kind of funny your name. Oh, this is good. Look at it. I'm trying to, right now I'm going to see if my old gun, my Stanley gun will work with this. I have a quick release for this. So I'm going to try to install the quick release. I'm going to take this out here and put my quick release here and see if I can get my other gun to work, because my other gun have a better tip. These kind of tips, which I like better than just turning it to adjust it. It's not quick, but it's not quick, but this is really good. It's quick release, so I like this more. So I'm going to use this gun here. I'm going to put this in here. That's it. And it works like that. And we'll test it out. That's it. And then the red is the strongest one here. Is 0. So I'm going to put the yellow one. Just like a. Okay, now it works. I'm turning on power, see how it goes. Much better than a chip. Better than a kick. Look how well tuned. I clean all my backyard pretty good with this little cheap Amazon electric pressure washer. I couldn't believe this. It looked really good. Clean all this and my gazebo. Crazy cheap. Can't believe it. All nice and clean. It's still $55. I think it's a good bargain. This is my old one, my old unit. I bought like at least 4 years ago. And it's only rated at 1600 PSI. This is 1950 PSI. Crazy different, and it's much stronger. It's lighter. It got a wheel. This don't have wheels. Yeah. This is a better company. Better name. But look at this one. Fancy All. So overall, I think it's worth it. Yeah, it's lighter, it shoots stronger. So I would recommend Fancy All. Plus tax by $60 out the door. So this is like 4 years ago, it's like $85 or something like that. So, but now it's like 130. So, if you don't have one, I suggest that you get one. This one. Good bargain. Never thought I'd say that about cheap brand. Well, thanks for watching. See you next video.